Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kefir from store-bought kefir. Start by sanitizing a quart jar and measuring 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of store-bought kefir. Stir the kefir into the milk gently until combined, then cover with a breathable lid or cloth to allow gases to escape. Keep the jar at a steady room temperature of about 68 to 75 degrees F for 12 to 48 hours. After combining kefir and milk, let the jar sit undisturbed in a warm spot for at least 12 hours. Check the flavor starting at 12 hours and then every 6 hours. Fermentation speed varies with temperature. When the kefir tastes pleasantly tangy and has thickened slightly, stir gently, seal the jar, and chill in the refrigerator to slow fermentation and improve texture. Use within 7 to 10 days for best quality. If your kefir is thinner than you like, give it more time at room temperature and consider using higher fat milk for creamier texture. Watch for any discoloration, fuzzy mold, or sour odors. Those are signs to discard the batch and clean everything well. To adjust tanginess, simply reduce fermentation time or chill earlier. With practice, you'll dial in timing so your kefir matches your preferred taste and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.